Hello people, right, I've not made a video for a while and I was going to put this chart up onto Twitter, but it is such a stunning example of a 5-swing move that I felt I had to make a video about it. So as you can see, gold is pushing up again now. It is now 7:15 in the evening, and all this is an overextended rubber band trade. 1,989 or 69, whatever that is, but no, 89, 3140. So we're well overextended, pushed down. You could see we've got the rubber band sort of scenario here, and the reason I wanted to make this video was purely because of this. I mean, this is gorgeous. This is only a 5-minute chart, but look at the 5 swings here. Swing 1, then the accumulation. Swing 2, swing 3, up, accumulation, distribution, call it manipulation. The algorithms or the traders, can't see traders doing this, to be honest with you. It's a great example of how the algos get involved with the markets, in my opinion, which is another reason to make the video. Then bang, up it goes. This is an area of accumulation, distribution, manipulation, whatever you want to call it. The algos are messing about. And where did I expect this to go when I hit this trade? Well, obviously there. Absolute textbook RSI bust, pullback, break and close above the high of the bust. That's why it's called the bust, break and close. My own setup, as it were. I like to call these things all weird names. And up it went for 17 pips. These moves are massive. Here's another bust, pullback, break and close there. That candle there, and that candle there is 20 pips, if memory serves me correctly. I wasn't about for that trade, but hang on, let's do it again. Yeah, 20 pips, give or take a pip or two, 19. So these are scalpers' dreams. No pullback, no drawdown, boom, up you go. So you hit the trade, off you go. That is the textbook move. That's a textbook move, especially when you've got all this begging to be hit. What else have we got here? Oh yeah, there was another one here. You know, gold is always an afterthought for me. I tend to stick to, as you know, I'm doing the DXY, the dollar index and cable alongside each other, proving to be a really rock solid method. But once again, we've got the bust up above the 0 level, pullback, break and close. Break and close. Next candle, as you can see, is the one after the dotted green line. Up it goes for 20 odd pips, and no drawdown, or a tiny bit of drawdown. There's a tiny wick on that candle, but these are crazy reliable, crazy fantastic. There is one in here as well, a pullback, a push up. Then we've got the retracement here, and we've got the bust and the break. The bust, pullback, break and close above the high of that. So you would have been drawn into a trade here that would have gone sideways for a while, but remember, the stops need to be below 2. Swing 1, 2, 3. So the stops here, at no point did it ever come anywhere near your stops. You would have just sat in a trade for however many an hour's worth of 5-minute bars, and then finally it went up. You know, this really was a textbook reversal. Overstretched ADR, beautiful descending trend line, strong levels here. We're bouncing off of this S2 here as well, and using the big round number 1900 as a supply and demand level, as it were, and price has gone up. So gold never fails to excite me, and especially when you've got the RSI histo to back everything up. So what can I say? This had to have a video. It deserved a video because it is just an amazing combination of the algorithms. Look, this is where the big boys are involved, the American session, and here, and then, you know, flick the switch, as I was convinced by an ex-professional or a professional trader years and years ago who said the algos get switched on when the big boys finish their job, and then they get switched off when we get the session starts again. So that'll be now we'll be looking at all this algorithmic trading, as it were, until the Asian session gets heavily into itself. So this is swing 5, so I wouldn't be surprised if this goes quite a lot further. And we've just actually had another break and close. Well, it hasn't closed yet, but it'll be interesting to see what happens there. But I think this has got further to go. We've definitely got a lot more of an interesting level here for the algos, so it will be interesting to see whether that does actually punch up to somewhere around that level and possibly beyond before the start of the Asian session. So thanks for watching, have a great day.